In this video you will learn how to fix and solve Yahoo Mail too many attempts try again later error. Wait for a while, pause for at least 30 minutes to a few hours. If your error is temporarily, unless it can be caused by too many logging attempts. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, click cookies and cache to remove stored login data that may be causing any issues. Use a different browser or device to log in. Try logging in from a different browser or device to bypass the block. Reset your password if prompted to. If Yahoo Mail suggests resetting your password, follow the steps to create a new and secure password. Avoid using proximity or VPNs. Disable any VPNs or proxy servers as they can trigger a security block by masking your real location. Check for suspicious activity. Go to Yahoo's account security settings, then review your recent activity to ensure your account was not flagged for unusual behavior. Now you know how to fix error and solve Yahoo Mail too many attempts try again later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.